Previously on Horseplay Motoring. Pretty nice day today. Got the H-pipe welded up. It is so friggin' bright out here. Birds are singing. Guess it's a good thing. Again, don't mind the Camaros in the background. But yeah, got it welded up and painted. And Amazon just came. They added to the mess up here. No, it's the zip ties that go through and hold the transmission cooler to the radiator. A lot of people don't trust these. I've had very good luck with them. I've never had a single issue out of them. And until I do, I'll probably continue using them. But that's how I'm going to use. This goes through. It's flat. It's got a pad. You take the sticky off. It goes through. This will be on the side of the fan. Nothing sticks out. And then it goes through. You put another pad, and you can use these springs to help keep tension on it. And these go on, and then it locks. And if you look, there's actually an indent where the tip of the spring can actually go in. So very cool little kit, I think. Very handy, whoever thought of this. I straighten out most of these fins. It ain't perfect, but it's not like I'm gonna be doing anything crazy. But there's already spots where they previously had it done, but I guess when they was unmocking everything, they took it out, and yeah, I don't know what they did. I don't know their train of thought on half this stuff, so I'm just kind of guessing. But that can be mounted now. All right, well, now y'all can see it, but it is mounted. Like I said, I still got to get that fitting taken care of because it drips. But that's how this is going to be for now. Eventually, I will get a better transmission cooler and probably make its own designated bracket. Probably coming off this side over here or that side over there. But basically have bars coming off with an actually dedicated mounting spot for the transmission cooler. But seen a little bit of clip before where this was getting welded up. I got it painted. Did the best I could with what I had. It's just some header paint, but you can't even really see where it's been welded or anything. I'm going to get this up underneath the car. It'll probably get scratched up and stuff. I might have to hit it again, but at least now I know that the O2 sensor bung ain't going to fall out and it don't have a huge hole in it. So that'll be the next step. All right, here it is. So got some surface rust here that I'm going to clean up. This back pipe can be cleaned up. The high heat paint actually held up pretty good, especially dragging it across the ground and stuff. That's about 3 coats of VHT header paint. And it's all bolted in, no leaks. So now I can proceed with the small stuff, because the H-pipe is in and the oil cooler is in. The transmission oil cooler and our transmission fluid cooler, whatever the hell you want to call it. And I can start getting stuff cleaned up and neatened up and get this thing rolling. Actually, wanted to show y'all, this is I believe these are the south side traction bars. So the front is jacked up like it's popping a wheelie right now. You can see this snubber is up against this. It's supposed to help stop the front from lifting like that. The back is going to squat more and it's going to grab and have more traction. I do think, you know, this is really old technology, but it works, and I do think I'm going to keep it. It also has this thing here. This can be welded in if I wanted it, but it also strengthens the box a little bit. I do have the torque box reinforcement kit still to put in, so I can put that in down here. And all in all, just have a very strong unit as far as the rear end goes. I do not know what rear gears are in this yet. I have to figure that out still. So there we go, guys. More progress. Got the H-pipe on, got the transmission cooler on. Steadily just chugging away at this thing. All that's left pretty much is simple stuff. I do have to Dremel out the headlights to accept the corner light. Got to put the interior back in, get the clips for the interior. I'm going to reset the timing, or at least double check it and see where it's at, because the distributor was loose. So I'm going to do all that, and then I should be able to fire this up. Won't be able to drive it till I get tires because they are extremely bad. One of them showing cord, but it is what it is. But thank y'all for watching. This is Horseplay. If you want to keep up with this progress of this Fox body and see the first startup and everything, please like, comment, subscribe. We out.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with these 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with these 16 bars.